The 7th Lagos Secondary Schools Model United Nations 2026 General Assembly has been held with the theme Digital Transformation of the Educational Sector as a Driver of Sustainable Development. The program brought together students from different schools to discuss global issues and explore how technology can improve education and support sustainable development.
Digital transformation is the engine that will close the gap of inequality and accelerate our journey towards sustainable development goals. By integrating technology into how we learn, we are just digitalizing lessons, we are democratizing opportunities. To you, our delegates, today you step into the shoes of global diplomats. I charge you to embrace this role with vigor and intellectual discipline.
If digital transformation is to truly self-sustaining development, it must be inclusive, responsive, and just. Technology must not deepen inequality. It must bridge gaps and expand access, empower teachers, and ensure that every learner, regardless of background or location, has the opportunity to thrive.
The initiative is aimed at preparing students for leadership positions in the society and helping them become responsible ambassadors in their communities.
It has really enhanced the pedagogy in teaching and learning. It has also saved time, energy, and resources. Nowadays, you can have an online classes without being in the class physically. That implies a reduction in infrastructural costs at the long run. Whatever we are here to deliberate upon today is about stimulation. It's about you identifying with the societal challenges and knowing how to come up with solutions to redeem those challenges.
The future we're looking towards is one where education leads to opportunity. The skills that you have, they translate into jobs and enterprise, and no one is left behind. So today I leave you with this. Do not see yourselves as just students. See yourselves as creators. See yourselves as problem solvers. See yourselves as future leaders. On behalf of UNDP Nigeria, we remain committed to supporting you, to working with partners in this group and strengthening systems that allow you to thrive.
By expanding access to education, improving quality, promoting lifelong learning and supporting innovation, digital technologies can help to address some of the most pressing challenges facing our society today. However, realizing this potential, we need strategic and inclusive approach that addresses existing barriers and ensures that the benefits of digital transformation are equally distributed. This includes investing in digital infrastructure, promoting digital literacy, and developing supportive policies and frameworks.
Digital transformation in education goes beyond the mere introduction of computers into classrooms. It involves a comprehensive integration of technology into teaching, learning, administration, and policy development. It is about creating a system that is more inclusive, accessible, efficient, and future-oriented.
We have heard your voice. We have heard your aspiration. I know Mr. Governor has done so much, but however, you are telling us it is not yet Uhuru, that we haven't got to that place you want. But I want to tell you today, your aspiration, your voice, your yearnings will be delivered. And I'm promising you, in policy making and all the aspects of state policies, digital transformation in our education sector will be pursued vigorously.
Participants described the event as eye-opening and inspiring, saying it exposed them to new ideas and broadened their understanding of global challenges.
Digital education is not merely a technological upgrade, but a strategic investment in sustainable development. By empowering students, bridging learning gaps, and fostering innovation, Australia is investing in a future that is inclusive, resilient, and forward-looking. As we look ahead, the opportunities are limitless, and responsibility to harness them widely rests with each and every one of us.
The Republic of Liberia strongly acknowledges the immense potential of digitalizing the educational sector. Hence, it calls upon all member states to strengthen international cooperation through innovation, knowledge sharing, and technological partnership to ensure that no nation is left behind in this revolution.
Special focus was also placed on public speaking, global peace, innovative skills, and developing broader perspectives on issues affecting the world.
Lassmun helps students to understand the wide perspective, not just the country you are representing, from other countries, from other world countries. You know, when you hear other people talk, you get to know about the country they are representing, you get to know the information, the challenges, the solutions that those countries are providing to certain solutions. And when you know these challenges and the solutions that are happening in other countries, you can implement it. As a student, you can implement it in your state.
It has been an inspiring event, teaching us to inspire for more things than just staying in the four corners of a classroom.
This program was mainly designed for us to understand that we can transform our educational system through using digital tools, technology, and several things, which help us have a new framework of understanding of how we can boost our academic world.
The event also provided students with an opportunity to build confidence, strengthen their communication skills, and engage in meaningful discussions on the future of education and society.